You know that weird mix between guilt and hope that you someday would be able to skip your 9 to 5? You know there is some other way to make money online, but you just didn't know how. Well, that was me a couple of years ago. One Saturday morning, just between my heating pads and my cup of tea, I opened up Canva. I just wanted to play around with it a little bit. 2 hours later, I had made a tiny little thing, but I still had made my first digital product. It was simple, it was soothing, it was colorful. And that was my $7 idea. It actually changed how I worked and how I rest. By the end of this video, I want to show you what I made. Not to copy it, you have to put your spiral on it, but just to show you how simple it is. If you're new to my world, hi, I'm Mia. I'm a 55 plus grandma from Sweden. I live with chronic pain, autoimmune disease. It's that whole fun bingo card, right? I spent years trying to get my body to fit in the schedule that I created for my work. I pushed through all the pain because that is what good girls do, right? But strength looks different now. First comes rest, then comes building my company slowly. I build products, digital products, on a slow base in my face, around my body and my energy. What I want to show you today is how I stopped forcing and start flowing instead. And it's so important for us spoonies to actually see that possibility. Let's start with the first one. Shift number one, from full speed ahead to tiny experience. For the longest time, I didn't start because if I couldn't plan everything step by step by step and I couldn't go all in, why bother? I felt like it wasn't even worth starting my project, right? But that Saturday morning, when I started playing around with Canva, my mind shifted. Tiny experiments counts. You see, when we are sick, our energy come in spoon shape, right? Spoon amount and not gallons of energy at the same time. That means that our path has to be lighter. Here is what helped me shift. I follow curiosity, not pressure. Whatever I did, and it felt a little bit playful, that was the one that aligned to me and my life. Set micro goals. Create one listing, make one template. That's it. Small is sustainable. Let's go of that all or nothing feeling. Healing doesn't happen when you are in power mode. Neither does creativity. That shift took me from totally burnout in my head to feel the creativity coming, flowing, and the momentum. Peace really does start with small things. Shift number two, how I changed from traditional work to energy based work. You see, in the 9 to 5 world, work equals output. And in the Spoonie world, that equation destroys us. And digital product flip that all around for me. You see, you make something once, it can be a planner, it can be a template, it can be a checklist, it can be a journal page. And I just heard others again and again while I'm resting. It's not passive, it's not magic, it's sustainable. Three reasons why it works for our bodies. You can face your projecting around your flare days. You can design from your bed or from the beach or by the pool, wherever you want in the world. For me, in Bali, of course, I do it at the pool. You create resources no matter what your energy level is. That is huge for us, spoonies, because rest stops feeling like lost times. Stop feeling like something you have to be guilty of, right? It becomes a part of the plan. It's a strategy. That is when you stop chasing balance and start living it instead. And that brings us to shift number three, From comparison and perfection to ease and play. When I first peeked out what other people were selling online, I froze. It was beautiful designs, it was big shops, perfect brands. Then I remembered you have your story, they don't. There is only one of you, and that is what your clients needs to hear. They didn't even have my body with the pain. They have 100% energy, and we don't. Creating as a spoonie means that everything we create carries softness, and that's our superpower. Here is what's grounding me. Imperfection is relatable. People know you are human. You can make mistakes. Your word doesn't need to be flawless. It needs to be real. It needs to be you. Ease is a skill. We can learn to simplify everything. Fonts, colors, systems, play more. It's fun, it's energetic. And when it's fun, it's healing. The secret that no one tells you, calm energy shows in your creations. Ease sells peace, and people can feel it. And shift number 4, from a fear of being seen to share and serve, helping others. At first, I didn't tell anyone what I did. I never told anyone that I was making digital products. I worried what people would think about me. They might think I'm silly or lazy or whatever. But every time someone downloaded my digital products, I felt like I was healing because I was helping someone else. And then I didn't care what other people said. They weren't living in my world. They weren't spoonies. Why would they care? I realized being visible is not about bragging. It's about connection. Here are 3 reflections that help me show up. The right people needs what only you can create. You don't have to show your face to make an impact. Start softly. Just start. Every share you have is a bridge between your story and someone else's hope. You are the hope dealer. Now my creativity feels like a service, happy service, not a performance. And that feels really, really safe. So those were my 4 gentle shifts. Start small, work with energy, create with ease, and share to serve. If you are a spoonie dreaming of adding a little lightness to your life, this isn't out of reach. Your body's limitations aren't roadblocks. As soon as you stop seeing them as roadblocks, life becomes so much easier. You deserve slow mornings and creative afternoons. You deserve to rest and still rise. Comment flow down below if this spoke to you. And subscribe is not for the algorithm's sakes. It's for you not to miss out on my other videos on how we spoonies can start our own online business and make money online on our terms. So hit that subscribe button. And if you are interested in knowing how I got here and how I could start my own online business and start my journey to the 3 freedoms I always talk about, like time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom, I have a surprise for you. I have a little freedom guide down below. It's a freedom formula blueprint. And it's all free and it shows you step by step how I started my journey and how you can do it too. Check it out. I'll leave the link in the description down below. YouTube have picked the perfect next video for you. So take a look at that. And until we meet again, salute.